Srila Prabhupada Lecture, Los Angeles, January 16, 1969. Actually, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu passed through the forest known as Jharkhand in central India, he was only accompanied by his personal attendant, and he was alone. And when he was passing through the forest, he touched one tiger who was sleeping, and the tiger answered roaring. The company, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's attendant, he thought, now we are gone. But actually, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked the tiger, why are you sleeping? Just stand up, chant Hare Krishna. And the tiger began to dance. So actually, this happened. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached this Hare Krishna movement, the tigers, the deers, everyone joined. So of course, we are not so powerful. But it is possible that at least we have seen the dogs are dancing in the Sankirtan. So it is also possible to take. But we may not attempt such great risk. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he could induce tigers to dance. We can at least induce every human being to dance. This is such a nice movement. Hare Krishna.